my time, you are I want. Neither of us wanna be alone.
Okay, g'day, Rudy here. I put out a forecast on the it's an analysis of the Dow Jones since 1930 to today. Sort of when I first started this channel, had a huge 8 views on it. Just want to give an update on where we are. So we'll go through this video because all the history from 1930 is still relevant, and then at the end of it I'll give an update on where we are today. Alright, so let's have a look. Okay, welcome to the Dow Jones analysis. So we're going right back here to the 1920s, right up until today. So you can see the charts move in patterns. When they break their trend lines, it's pretty significant. So if we just start back here, we had the 1930 depression. So if we start our trend lines from here, so we had a nice bull market, a little bit of a dip there, but it kept pulled back up. And then we had the 1966 big correction, came down, formed a tighter channel, and then once it broke through this tighter channel, it began its next move up, confirming its move up. As a breakthrough there, came up, so we had a little correction, but it hit the support here, being the break of that high, and we ran up. Then we had the 2000 correction, back to the trend line. We ran back up again, didn't beat the previous high. We had the GFC. She came back down, started the start of a new upward trend. So we now have a longer term uptrend and I guess a shorter term uptrend now. So we're going, and this is essentially where the Dow Jones is today. So we're breaking through that old high over here, and we're moving into new high territory. So based on history, you would think it might hover around here a little bit and then move up again. Break below here, and you might start to worry. But if we pull back to a shorter time frame, so this is the Dow Jones since 2018. That horizontal line, this is the one I was just last showing you, where we broke through the top. And then if you bring it down even to a shorter time frame, we're now moving up on this channel here. So really, there's no sense of panic, unless we break around here, 41,000. Well, if it breaks below here, 36,000, then we may be in trouble. But for now, there's long term says it's up, short term saying it's up. So you want to be in it. Okay. So that's why you shouldn't make forecasts, just look at the charts. So 41,600 was the level. So we're now at 41,400. So we've definitely broken this uptrend channel since January 24. So there isn't an ETF on the Dow Jones or US30, which is interesting. But really, this is the big mama, and it doesn't look very good. It looks like we're in for a correction, a broad market correction, which is probably the starting of gold's bullish run. All right, so we'll give an update next month on how it's going, but it doesn't look good for the share market. All right, thanks for that.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that video. Just to know that there's plenty of videos on my homepage. I've got a section on videos on the gold silver series and why I'm bullish on them. A section on Aussie miners. A section on ETFs ready to buy or sell. A section on shares ready to buy or sell. Some forecasts of the market in there. Some crackers. Some reviews of what the experts tell you and how much crap they can talk. Some educational videos, some charting education videos, some videos on how my performance is going to show I know what I'm talking about, and some videos on crypto. So how can you get there easily? In the description page of each video, just click on down here and that'll take you there. Thanks a lot.
Never waste my time, you all I want. Neither of us wanna be alone. Breathing in your love on your